Got the cups. This is a snack bowl, dude. Look at this. This piece here, because this is new for sure. I haven't seen that. And then this bag. There's a shirt. There's also a second story underneath. They don't have as many plushies. The famous Link statue down here. This is the bottom floor. Playing Mario Kart. That's funny. Look at this, dude. That is so sick. $200 for that. This actually, I seen that at Best Buy. You could get that at Best Buy. And I think it has a light in there too, actually. That is so dope.
Feel it. It's got a weight to it.
That's so soft. Finally walking out with our bags. Walking back to the parking garage just up the street. It's $9. So I'm gonna showcase what it is that I purchased from the Nintendo store, and here I have this keychain. There was another one that was there, but I grabbed this one instead because this one's actually like acrylic. The other one I think was like rubber. So here's this. I'm gonna start with the less interesting stuff. Okay, so now I got the OG, you know, shirt, Nintendo San Francisco. haven't even tried it on actually. I don't know if should be able to fit me. But I don't think they have extra small. But I think so. This is actually really high quality. It almost feels like this was probably glued in. It's like 3D printed. This is the most exciting thing that I purchased. I'm sure people have seen this before. When I was in Japan, all the stores in Nintendo were sold out. So there's a price, 40 bucks. Let's go ahead and open it. And this does actually work. Probably getting Mario. I don't know, man. I need to get him by the legs. There's no sound effect.
It's so weird with it.
Broken.
At least it's not broken like this one.